Hi everyone. In today's quick video I just thought I'd show you a few of the products that I've bought recently that are from our mini catalogue. This catalogue runs alongside our annual catalogue and this is the January to June 2021 catalogue. You'll all probably know that I actually love our foil card and glimmer card that Stampin' Up sell, and this one is no exception. So this is found on page 11 of the January to June mini catalogue. It's part of the Love You Always suite. In the catalogue, the samples are predominantly all around love and that kind of thing, but this foil card is beautiful and could be used for so much more. The colourway in the pack is Blushing Bride, Rococo Rose and Sahara Sand, and you get 2 sheets of each colour, 12 by 12 inches, so 6 in total. And I just want to show you, I've got a couple of cards to show you that I've made with it. I'm not so sure how beautiful this will come over on the camera, but it is very, very, very shiny and beautiful. So this is Blushing Bride, Rococo Rose and Sahara Sand. As you can see, I've already been cutting into it. So you get 2 sheets of 12 by 12 in each of the colourways, and it's all beautiful. This Sahara Sand is a bit like a champagne colour. It really is gorgeous. So just to show you a card made very quickly with it, this is from the Pretty Perennials, which I will show you in a few minutes. And a very simple, easy to make card, but just by adding a little bit of the foil card, it just kind of takes it up a notch. So that is the Love You Always foil sheets. Then on page 54 and 55 you've got Snail Mail, which is a whole suite. Now I have to admit, as demonstrators we get to pre-order a lot of this product before it comes out to, you know, the general market and customers. And when I first saw this in the catalogue, I didn't get it. I thought, what? I don't understand, you know, snails? No. Anyway, I've subsequently seen it used and decided to go and purchase the paper, and I have to say it's just a fun suite of product. Now for anybody that's got a ScanNCut, this again is all 12 by 12 double-sided paper, and if you follow me on YouTube you will have seen me cutting this out in one of my Sunday night lives. So these designs are perfect for anybody that's got a ScanNCut that wants to fussy cut, use the machine to fussy cut. So I'll just quickly run through the designs for you. So again, in this suite you get 12 sheets, all double-sided, 6 designs. So this is one side, and then this is the other. The colourways in this are Real Red, Blushing Bride, Daffodil Delight, Bermuda Bay and Basic Grey. So that's your colourways within this suite. So that's one. This one is cute, all pink. And again, that's the other side. We've got hello, bonjour, hearts, that kind of thing, all in speech bubbles. This one is predominantly the Daffodil Delight. This is all envelopes and parcels. And then on the other side you've got what look like postage stamp frames. This is another one with the toadstools but bigger. Like I say, if you've got a ScanNCut, these are going to be brilliant. This one's just all red and hearts. That could be used for anything. And then you've got, this is the next one, all with the little snails on it and the cute little faces. And then this is just, looks like stitching. Love this. And then this is the last one. So on a white background with all the colours in it again. and then that's the reverse side. So that's from the Snail Mail suite. Then on page 31 you've got Pretty Perennials, and I bought the stamp set and the dies as a bundle for this particular design. If you use the bundle number you save 10%, so if you just put the stamp set and the bundles separately in your cart you'll pay the full price, because each item has its own individual product number, but if you use the bundle number you get it cheaper. For Pretty Perennials you've got these like watercolour flower effects, which is great. You've got happy as a big word, and then to go with that you've got things like mail, so happy mail. You've got birthday, so you can do happy birthday, happy for you, you make me happy, and sending lots of happy. And the dies are lovely as well. Some, you know, nice size dies. A lot of the dies will cut out your stamped images, but some of the dies are individual elements in their own right. So the leaf design here is what I used in this card, in the background here, and the middle section, and then I cut the dies. This is Magenta Madness and this is Rococo Rose, so I've gone with clashing pinks on this one, but I think it works. And then we've got Happy Birthday, which is from the stamp set. Another simple card made using just the stamps is this one. I've used Sending Lots of Happy for this one, and the flowers and the leaves are here within the stamp set. So another beautiful but simple card. Anyone can do this if you've got the right products, and all our products all coordinate together. You know, you could add other embellishments on, you could add ribbon on, everything matches with Stampin' Up across the colour palette. So that's Pretty Perennials. Another stamp set that I've purchased from page 50 is called Hey Girlfriend, and that's this suite here. You've got Your Kindness Touches My Heart, You Are a Tough Act to Follow, You Can Count on Me, I Heart My Bestie, Hey Girlfriend, Always Be Yourself. You've got these adorable little cat and dogs and the three beautiful girls and a balloon. And just to show you quickly, here's one of the cards I've made with this stamp set. I've used this beautiful girl here. I've used Blackberry Bliss. I've used Designer Series paper from our Brights stack. Like I say, everything matches. I've used the Blackberry Bliss Stampin' Blend. I've used, I think this was Highland Heather or Purple Posy, I can't remember which now. The video coming to my channel, if it's not already up by now, for a set of cards I've made using this stamp set, and there'll be a product list on my blog, so it will tell you there the exact colours. I just can't remember at the moment. And I've used the Hey Girlfriend. So that's another stamp set from the January to June mini catalogue. This is all red rubber cling, so this has got the inbuilt cushioning already within it. And then finally, one last thing I'd like to show you is in our annual catalogue. So this is the catalogue that runs for the year. Stampin' Up sell a manual die cutting machine, and they sell it now in two sizes. So you've got the regular size, which is the size that will take all your, you know, full size embossing folders, that kind of thing, and all your dies as well. But they also do the mini Stampin' Cut and Emboss. Now, as you know, I have a ScanNCut, but I also have an electronic die cutting machine. I have a snap machine. Basically works on the same principles as, you know, a Big Shot or our Stampin' Cut Emboss. The only thing is, instead of manually cranking it through with the handle, on my snap machine I push it through, press a button, and that's it. But it's a very, very heavy machine. I don't use it that often. I do use it, but probably not as much as I should. So I've invested in the mini Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. However, I don't think the name does it justice. It may be called mini, but it is definitely a mighty machine. So here it is. It's adorable, for one thing. It's not too heavy. It's weighty, but not too heavy. It comes fully assembled. It comes with all the plates that you need and instructions on how to use it, all, you know, within the box. So you get 2 cutting plates. All our plates are numbered and they tell you exactly what they're for on them. And you get, you know, an instruction sheet with it. It folds out, so when it's not in use it folds up compact. This base area here is comfortably 3.5 inches wide. It's actually, the gap is slightly wider than 3.5 inches. I don't use masses of dies, and clearly, you know, the full-size embossing folder is not going to fit in this machine. But what I would say, of all the dies that I do own, they all fit in this machine comfortably. So this is the Stitched So Sweetly dies, and the biggest die in this set fits in here easily. This is Boho Indigo dies. All these dies fit in here. Stitched Nested Label dies is another set of dies I own, and again the biggest die fits comfortably in here. This is the Poinsettia dies from the Poinsettia suite, and if you followed my card making craft along for World Card Making Day last year, this die set featured heavily in, you know, a lot of the projects I made, and these are not small dies. So this is the biggest of the Poinsettia dies, and again fits in the mini Stampin' and Cut Emboss machine very easily. Wreath Builder dies from the Arrange a Wreath suite. Again, lots of big dies in here, and will fit on this cutting plate easily. And then finally another set of dies I own. This is called Stitched Shape dies, and this is the set with the squares, circles and ovals, and these all fit within this machine as well. So like I say, it might be called Mini Stampin' and Cut Emboss machine, but of all the dies I own, they will all fit in this handy, compact little machine. So that's just a few of the things that I bought recently, and you know, you will see me using these products in future videos. All the products are available to purchase in my Stampin' Up shop. There's a link directly underneath the video. All the products will be in the accompanying blog post as well, with direct link. If you do have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.